Okay, I want to at this point welcome the Friends of India President, Mrs. Saroj Chatterjee, to share a few words with you.
Good afternoon. Happy Holi, everybody.
Happy Holi.
I won't talk too much as I am recovering from something or the other. But I wanted to welcome each and every one of you for this wonderful event. And the kids doing a great job. Dancing. Hello. I'm going to introduce the Friends of India 2025-2026 team. So, Vice President Pratik Dudia, Secretary Renee Pinkerman, Treasurer Bhavna Jain, Cultural Secretary Nirmalia Chatterjee, Public Relations Director Sonia Sharma, okay, IT Head Sumit Mathur, and the future President-elect Purvasha Banerjee. I was like, oh my God, this is full auditorium here. Thanks a lot, Greg. This year also happens to be a very special year that we are working on a celebration. What is that celebration? So, India Association was going on for a long time. Then, today or this year, 40 years ago, the association was formalized. So is it the 40th anniversary? Probably not. But it's the 40th anniversary of Friends of India. That's when the name was given. So many people who came from India, my parents included, started associations to celebrate Diwali, Holi, functions like that with each other. And that went on for several years here in Las Vegas as well. Until I think Pramodji is here. Pramodji, can you stand up? Pramod Bhatnagar? Okay, Pramodji got an opportunity. And you want to come and tell us the story? Okay, he got the opportunity from his work to formalize the association, and his brother, Satishji, if I am correct, and I'm still doing my research, so hopefully by 15th August when we have a big celebration, I will have all my facts. His brother, Satishji, came up with the name Friends of India. Am I right?
That's right.
Okay. So, between the two brothers, they filed for the registration for Friends of India. Correct?
Yeah, and some family members too.
And many others who helped them, where Dr. Chandiraj was the first president. If you open every book, you see Chandiraj being the first president. So, like I said, we're still in progress of getting all the facts. 40 years ago, none of us were here, so it's been a adventure, but we are getting some help from people like Pramodji to help us out. So 15 August, we will be celebrating the 40th anniversary of the formalization of Friends of India. Meanwhile, keep the date 15 August open. which is going to be on 16th of August. And we will have dance competition like last year. So everybody prepare yourself, prepare your best dances because everyone takes it seriously. And after this, we will have lunch. After lunch, you'll be given your colors to adults only, and you can guide your kids how to play Holi there. Last year, the kids play Holi in the air and in the grass, and they don't know the meaning of Holi or what they should be doing. So please teach them what the Holi's meaning is and how actually it is played, which is why we are making you in charge of teaching your children about Holi. Thank you so much and enjoy the rest of the program.
Thank you, Saroj, and thank you, the executive committee members. So I have few more very important announcements. So please contact Mrs. Chandra Mehta, who is the director of the event, for tickets and further information. And Chandra ji is right here. Okay, there she is. All right, it's going to be a fabulous event, and many participants are performing. So please come to the event, show your support, so that we continue to have such events. The next one, another very important event, is Ekal Vidyalaya, Las Vegas chapter, will have their annual fundraising concert on Sunday, April 12, which is the next day, at 5 p.m. at the Wild Horse Golf Course Auditorium on Warm Springs Road in Henderson. As you probably know, Ekal Vidyalaya has been dedicated to supporting education of children in India. And at that event, we will have a Bollywood singer, Ms. Pavani Pandey. She'll be performing at the concert. So as always in the past, it's going to be a very good program, good cause, and with good music to support it. So please try to be there.
Thank you.
Kirija ji is here.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
Pardon?
I said I appreciate that.
Thank you. Absolutely. The next one is also very important. You know, there is a seniors group here, and we have senior groups. The big maven of that, he is the, I guess, founder. Maybe you have a president. So please stand up. Ashok ji. Ashok Goel is here. So they will have their picnic right here next Saturday. Pardon? Oh, not next Saturday. Sorry, wait. Okay. Sorry, I didn't mean it. Yeah, good. Thank you. There was another event that's next Saturday. So it's on Saturday, April 25th. All right. So it's going to be right here at this park. All right. So please contact Ashok ji for any further information. And then what Saroj already mentioned, Friends of India will hold its annual Independence Day celebration on Sunday, August 16 at 3 p.m. at the Flamingo Library. And it's going to be a very special occasion because we are celebrating our 40th anniversary of formalization of Friends of India. And we will commemorate this event with patriotic songs and a dance competition. Last year we had a very good dance competition of 3 categories: classical, folk, and Bollywood dances. So please spread the word. We want as many participation as possible so that we can continue to pursue cultural activities in this town. They can contact me and we will get them lined up for this competition. So the competition will happen, and then also we will honor the past presidents and the founders of Friends of India at that event. Okay, so we absolutely encourage you to be there. It's a very important event. Again, it's on August 16th, Sunday at Flamingo Library. And last but not the least, so the lunch and the appetizers are provided by Swad Indian Restaurant. It's a new restaurant. They are located, thank you. They are located in the Chinatown area. So please visit them if you like their food. I'm sure you will. And then and the pizzas have been provided by Pizza Wala, which is located at the Centennial Center. So that's the end of my announcements, community announcements. If you have any questions, you need further information, you can either come to me or you come to any of the people I mentioned who know the more specifics about the events. Now there will be a little change of pace here. How can you have Holi celebration without some really good Holi song and performed by really good singers? So we got some star singers here. So this is a song from the movie Holi. Is there anyone who has not seen Holi? Please raise your hand. 1, 2, only 2. Only 2, or you also 3. Okay, you should see. It's one of the most
I'm gonna have to check it out.
entertaining movies that has
Black
been
and white?
performed.
Black and
And it is a star-studded movie, as you know.
okay.
Amitabh Bachchan, Hema Malini, Dharmendra, Jaya Bachchan, all these people are there. And we have our own Lata Mangeshkar and Kishore Kumar, who are going to sing one of the biggest hit of that movie of that year. Alright? Once again, it's a Holi song. So, they are Jasmine Arolkar, our Lata Mangeshkar, and Subbu or Subramaniam Vaikuntham.
Thank you so much. Before we start the song, I would like to give 2 cheers to Sarojji and Nirmala ji for pulling off another great event. Give them a big hand. And of course the whole committee. I'm not trying to disqualify anybody, I just want to give them a big hand because it's not easy to conduct such events.
And happy Holi.
Happy Holi. चलो रे साथी सा गुलाल चुरा लूं।
जाने जा दीवाने तो होली के बहाने तो, जाने जा दीवाने तो होली के बहाने तो, छेड़ा मुझे बेशरम।
पूछ ले जमाने से ऐसे ही बहाने से लिए और दिए दिल जाते हैं। कनी है तू, मट्टी से बनी है तू, छूने से जो टूट जाएगी।
कांटों की छूने से, फूलों से नाजुक नाजुक बदन छिल जाते हैं। होली के दिन दिल खिल जाते हैं, रंगों में रंग मिल जाते हैं। गिले शिकवे भूल के दोस्तों, दुश्मन भी गले मिल जाते हैं।
होली के दिन दिल खिल जाते हैं, रंगों में रंग मिल जाते हैं। होली के दिन दिल खिल जाते हैं, रंगों में रंग मिल जाते हैं। होली के दिन दिल खिल जाते हैं, रंगों में रंग मिल जाते हैं।
So our next song is also going to be a dance from a Bollywood movie. It's called Panawadi. So please step in, the dancers. Okay, make sure you don't throw any color onto the... I'm sorry, we have to follow the rules, right? So no color on the patio. Okay.